Interventions and remedies in aseptic filling operations. Aseptic filling operations are highly sensitive processes that require stringent controls to ensure sterility and product quality. Any intervention in these operations can introduce contamination risks, jeopardizing the sterility assurance of the final product. Below is an updated presentation detailing different types of interventions and their remedies specific to aseptic filling operations. 1. Mechanical interventions. Common issues: filling equipment malfunctions, pump failures, misalignment of filling nozzles, or inconsistent fill volumes. Isolator or RABs, restricted access barrier system, failures. Pressure fluctuations or airflow disruptions can compromise sterility. Glove integrity breach. Leaks or punctures in gloves used in isolators, RABs may lead to contamination. Remedies. Routine equipment calibration and preventive maintenance. Regular calibration of filling machines and nozzles to ensure accurate volumes. Routine integrity testing of isolators and RABs to maintain sterile conditions. Glove integrity testing. Conduct regular glove integrity tests using pressure decay or other validated methods. Automated filling systems. Reduce manual interventions by using robotic or automated filling systems. 2. Aseptic process interventions. Common issues: environmental control deviations, temperature, humidity, or differential pressure variations in cleanrooms. Particles or microbial contamination. Presence of viable or non-viable particles in the aseptic processing area. Vial stopper, cap placement issues. Misalignment of stoppers or incorrect sealing can compromise sterility. Remedies. Stringent environmental monitoring. Use real-time particles and microbial monitoring in grade A and B areas. Implement automated alarms for immediate corrective action. Sterility control measures. Enforce strict aseptic gowning and operator movement controls. Perform regular media fills, process simulations, to validate aseptic practices. Automated stopper and capping systems. Use vacuum-assisted or automated capping to reduce human interventions. 3. Human interventions. Common issues: unplanned operator entry in grade A areas. Entry due to unforeseen issues, for example, equipment failure, material blockage. Poor aseptic techniques. Improper hand movements, excessive motion, or accidental contact with sterile surfaces. Incorrect assembly of aseptic components. Errors in assembling filling needles, stoppers, or transfer tubing. Remedies. Training and qualification. Implement an intensive aseptic training program with periodic retraining. Conduct regular gowning qualification and media fill assessments. Minimization of manual interventions. Use automation and barrier systems to reduce human contact. Implement visual and sensor-based process monitoring. Simulated intervention studies. Validate aseptic process interventions using media fill studies and airflow visualization. 4. Quality control and sterility assurance interventions. Common issues: false positive sterility test results. Contaminated sampling methods or improper handling during sterility testing. Endotoxin or particulate contamination. Presence of endotoxins or particulate matter in final filled product. Container closure integrity, CCI, failure. Leaks in vials due to inadequate sealing or capping pressure variations. Remedies. Validated sampling and testing procedures. Use isolators for sterility testing to minimize contamination risks. Implement robust endotoxin and particulate testing protocols. Advanced container closure integrity testing. Use laser-based headspace analysis, high-voltage leak detection, or helium leak testing. Enhanced visual inspection systems. Implement automated 100% inspection systems to detect defects. 5. Regulatory and compliance interventions. Common issues: non-compliance with GMP and Annex 1. Failure to meet regulatory requirements for aseptic processing. Deviations in batch records and documentation. Incomplete or incorrect batch record entries affecting traceability. Inadequate change control management. Unapproved changes in equipment or processes impacting sterility assurance. Remedies. Strict GMP compliance programs. Align procedures with EU GMP Annex 1 and FDA Aseptic guidelines. Conduct routine internal and external compliance audits. Real-time electronic batch records, EBR. Implement digital documentation systems for enhanced accuracy and traceability. Robust change control procedures. Ensure all process, equipment modifications undergo risk assessment and validation. 6. Material and supply chain interventions. Common issues. Contaminated or non-sterile raw materials. Bioburden or endotoxin contamination in excipients, stoppers, or vials. Delayed material supply. Disruptions affecting production schedules and batch release timelines. Incorrect material handling. Improper material transfer through airlocks leading to potential contamination. Remedies. Supplier qualification and incoming material testing. Implement stringent supplier audits and material release testing. Ensure gamma-irradiated or steam-sterilized components meet sterility standards. Controlled material transfers. Use validated decontamination processes for material transfers, for example, vaporized hydrogen peroxide, VHP, or dry heat sterilization. Inventory management system. Implement just-in-time, JIT, supply chain strategies to avoid stockouts. Conclusion. Interventions in aseptic filling operations are critical to ensuring sterility and product quality. By implementing preventive maintenance, automation, stringent training, environmental monitoring, and compliance adherence, facilities can reduce interventions and minimize contamination risks. The key strategies include minimizing human interventions through automation, enhancing environmental and sterility control systems, implementing robust quality control and compliance programs, strengthening supplier and material handling protocols. By continuously improving aseptic practices and adopting new technologies, facilities can ensure high sterility assurance levels, reducing risks in aseptic filling operations. Thanks for watching our channel. Feel free to reach us at contact@learngmp.com.